All right, guys. This is a watch list video for Monday, June 17th. The first thing I want to start with is a reminder to everybody that the market is closed on Wednesday. So it's already been pretty dead out there, right? And now we're looking at, we've got summer trading 100%. And then we're looking at a week where there's, 2 days, then a day off, then 2 days. I think it's going to be even worse as far as action goes. I don't mean to be Debbie Downer, but that's just what I'm expecting. It's pretty dead out there. So hat tip to the room for finding stuff to trade still, but there's, don't overtrade this market. I guess my best advice. SPY holding up near all-time highs. Let me just show you for those that didn't make it. LRHC had this crazy move, and I thought a great post in chat was by Eon. So it popped here. It actually halted and then popped, and Eon noticed it topped out at 125, right? Quarter number, and did this kind of long flag right below it. His idea was back through 125, the afternoon idea, and went all the way to 181, right? That's a great percentage gain. And it wasn't that long before that I said, or maybe it was in the morning, I did say, it's going to be dead. But at the same time, if you can stay in front of your screens, trades can come out of nowhere, right? And I would argue that this one did. This wasn't even on our radar, but then it had the news halt and then came out of the halt and then formed this nice flag right below 125, the quarter number. So, and a lot of times when there's not much going on, you end up with one stock doing something and it becomes the only game in town. And so sometimes you can get, especially if it happens in the afternoon, you can get exaggerated moves. So it is worth hanging out if you don't have anything else to do, right? And hopefully we'll find some nice trades this week. So let me go into what we're watching on Monday. APLD, I'm certainly not in love with this, but you can kind of put the horizontal line there right at the whole number 5. You kind of have an inverse head and shoulders looking thing, not a pretty one, but and nice volume on Friday. So maybe back through 5 on Monday. We'll see if it gives a proper setup. AEMD. I had on long watch. It gapped down and then kind of pushed up again. It's just going right back on long watch. NNE. I had to leave early on Friday. I did say before I left maybe an afternoon high of day break for NNE, which it looks like it did do a nice pop because the high of day I think was 877 at the time. But anyway, the daily's interesting. All-time highs 1071. It pulled back sideways and then a nice pop. So this might be the one to watch on Monday. LICY, decent volume, but closed well off its highs. Maybe we get a play on Monday. BTDR had this big pop on Thursday and held up really well on Friday. Maybe the whole number 10 comes into play on that one. GME, GameStop is on watch because it's GameStop. I think they actually have a shareholder conference or meeting or something scheduled for Monday after hours. So that one might make an afternoon run leading into that. So let's keep that one on radar. KAVL, massive move on Friday. We're going to watch it. LRHC, I already talked about this one as far as Eon's great call. We're going to watch that one again on Monday. UNFI just goes back on bounce watch. It had this nice move, and now it's 6 days in a row, but it's right between that 8 and 20 moving average, so we like that area for a potential turn back up. SMLR, really nice 3 or 4 day move, pulled back for a few days. That one goes on bounce watch as well. And then APTV has gotten down to pretty close to support here. I put the horizontal line there, and it's gotten there in a hurry. So anyway, that's it. Not that much to watch on Monday, but we'll add gappers to the list and pre-market together tomorrow morning. All right, I'll see you guys in chat.